Can AI actually build a real Flutter Firebase chat app in just 10 minutes? Today we are putting it to the test. I will give the AI just 10 minutes to build a complete chat app with a Firebase, and we'll see if it actually works or completely fails. So without a delay, let's get started. So, before we move forward, if you have an amazing app idea but you don't have a time or skills to develop an app, don't worry, my team will develop the app for you. So, you can search for my startup name, which is an app crafting. At app crafting, we transform ideas into powerful, beautiful mobile experience. Whether you are a startup or a business ready to scale, we design, build, and launch your app fast, professional, and ready for the world. You can just fill out the contact form and get a quote. Just fill out your name, your last name, and your email and your requirements as well. And after submitting this form, my team will reach you out to develop your app for both Play Store and App Store. So today I'm going to create a chat app. Now you will say that Shivam, you have already created a chat app many times before on this channel. So why you are creating the chat app again? So we are going to create a chat app, but I'm not going to code anything from my side, because if I'm going to code the complete chat app, it's going to take nearly 3 to 4 hours to create a complete chat app from the scratch. Okay, but today is a world of an AI, and now I'm going to use a cursor AI, and I'll just tell the AI to create a complete chat app, and I'm going to check that how much time it's going to take to create a chat app from the scratch by using an AI. Okay, so that we can simply get to know like how the AI is and what really the AI can simply build best and really fast. Okay, so I'm going to move to the cursor AI, and this is a cursor official dashboard. You just need to download the cursor from your official website, and once you download that, you will just move to the cursor dashboard. Okay, now here we need to pass a prompt. I'm using the cursor Grok 4.5 high and fast because it is best for creating an app. Okay, so I'm going to use a cursor and I need to pass a prompt. Okay, first what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to tell the cursor that create a login and sign up page for our chat app. Okay, because you know that a login and sign up page is also needed in the chat app. So we need to add a login and sign up page where we are going to use a email authentication by using the Firebase as a backend. Okay, so I'm going to move to the cursor and we'll just tell that, so I'm planning to create a chat app from the scratch where the two users can have a private chat. Okay, now what I want you to first design the login and sign up page. You can also design the onboarding page as well. Now try to use some graphics and some cool images. Don't add something random. I need something really brilliant as in design. Okay, so this is the prompt that I passed to the cursor, and I've mentioned clearly that use some animations, use some graphic designs and all. Okay, so that it will look much better. Don't use a random images. I need a design to be really perfect. Okay, so I've told that in the prompt and I'm going to send this. Okay, so here we can see this planning the next move. So they are trying to planning the next move. I will design a distinctive login and sign up and onboarding experience for your private chat app. First checking what's already in the workspace. So we build on the right foundation. So they are telling that they are first checking the code, like what all things has been written on this chat app one file that you have created, but it is a new file. So this is a Flutter project. So they told that this is a Flutter project because I haven't mentioned anything that you need to write a Flutter code. Okay, so this is a Flutter project. I will inspect the existing setup, craft a distinctive auth onboarding design with a custom graphics. Building the auth flow for Duet, a private two-person chat brand with a custom illustration, expressive type, and cool mistil visual system. Okay, no purple cream or AI default. Okay, so they're trying to first create the design. They are generating the image, abstract brand, hero visual for a private chat. We just need to wait for the result, like what all screens that they are going to create. Okay. Okay, I think so. They have created the design that I can see. So they have what they have designed. They have mentioned over here. They have created the onboarding screen with a three full bleed screens. I don't know what is bleed screen. Connection, privacy, presence with a slow image drift, animated copy, and the Ember page identity indicators. So login page is there with full bleed hero on mobile, split layout on widescreen, email, password validation, forgot password link, the sign up page. Okay, so these are all the things. The design system is like type bronzes display, palette mist teal color, soft amber, no purple cream default. Motion is like entrance badges, page transition, atmosphere offs or off screens, here logo handoff. Okay, blah blah blah. Yeah, now what I need to do is that I need to simply hot restart the app, and we are going to just see the design. Okay, a private room for two, dude is built for one conversation that matters, just one, you and someone you choose. Okay, so they are a two-person, basically they are going to have a private chat. So they have created this page, and I think so they have also kept the app name like dude that you can see, and they have also passed the logo. We are going to move to the next screen, so we'll click to this continue. Okay, okay, I don't know what really this is. Okay, I think so this is the text message. Okay, set it by the design, your words stay between you, no fade, no noise, only the threads you share. Okay, wow, this also looks great. I think so they have tried to use the images and all present in the moment, feel messages arrive like a soft pulse, real time calm and unmistakably yours. Okay, create your duet. Okay, so basically this is the duet app that they have created. Like I can just have a chat with another person, so they have kept the app name duet, right? Now begin your duet, but what I can notice that this text has been simply been hidden behind this image. Okay, also the idea of this app is not to find someone for a private chat, like it is not a Tinder type of app. Okay, so I'm going to tell the cursor that this is not a Tinder type of, this is normal chatting app. Okay, so just change the design accordingly. The design looks not really great, it looks okay, but I'm going to tell that in the prompt. Okay, so the app is basically a private chatting app where the two persons can have a chat. It's not like someone can look for the another person and can have a chat something. It is not a dating type of app. Okay, so maybe you can just remove the word do it, and maybe you can just add the another app name. Also change the design as well, because the design looks really like a motivation type, or like not really what I'm looking for. And maybe we can add some animations and as well. Okay, so that's the thing. I want that you to redesign this complete screen. Okay, so I've tell that in the cursor in the prompt that I didn't like the design, because it's not like a boy is looking for a girl. This is not a dating app. Okay, so that's the thing that I've mentioned clearly over here. Now one thing I tell you, that when you're passing the prompt, you should tell the AI that what you're looking for, otherwise the app will be something like this. Okay, if you are not going to tell your idea that you have in your mind in the prompt, the AI will not going to react, because AI will only going to react according to the prompt shared by you. So prompt plays a big role when you are getting anything from AI. Okay, so pass a perfect prompt that you have in your mind and that you are looking for, so that you can get the result exactly. Okay, so they're trying to just think this like how to create this. We are going to just wait for the result. Okay. Okay, so they have changed the design that I can see. What has been changed, the brand name they have keep latch. I don't know why they have keep this name. Closed pair, invite code. Okay, no people search. Clean product UI. Okay, onboarding live and animated previews is there. Chat bubbles you. Okay, let's move to the result. Like I'm going to hot restart the app. Okay, wow. So that's the animation that they have added that I can see. Invite code is there. Sam joined your chat. Okay. Yeah. So that's the animation that I can see. Okay. So they have also added this page. No people search, no public profile, no groups, only two. Okay. So here is this like basic, like I can see the idea that they have added is basically they are going to get the invite code, and according to the invite code they can just see the person and can join the chat. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, click to this create account button, set up the latch, then invite exactly one person to your chat. Okay, so create your account, invite one person with a code, start your private chat. Okay, so we can just need to first create account. then we need to invite one person with a specific code and start a private chat, something like this. And this is the signing page. Okay, so that's a thing I can see over here. I think so they have added anything or not. Let's see. So we are going to just pass email and then the random password. Will I can agree? Click on create account. Okay, account created. Next we will invite one person. Okay, so what I want is to design the next page where we are going to send the unique link, like unique invite code for the person that I want to have a chat. And we can just also create the another screens as well where we are going to have a private chat between the two users. Okay. Also make sure that you connect this complete app with the Firebase. Okay, so that we can just add the email authentication, store messages in the Firebase Firestore. So I've told one thing to the cursor that we are going to add the Firebase as a backend. So they are also going to connect this app with the Firebase. You don't need to move manually to the Firebase account and connect the Android and iOS. Everything will be done by a cursor. So that's the important thing, right? So we are going to just wait, like building the invite code flow in the private chat screen, then wiring the Firebase auth and the Firestore so sign up invites and messages work end to end. Okay, so they are trying to first connect this app with the Firebase. Okay, I will set up the Firebase packages and the invite chat architecture from a local project config without listing your cloud project yet. Okay, yeah, so we just need to wait. Okay, I guess they have connected this app. These are all the things that they have told. Stop the list of Firebase project. Okay, follow sign up invite console. Okay, I guess they have connected this. Okay, so let's test this. If you try to like hot restart the app, it's not going to work because they have just added lots of packages. And move to the perspecaml file, and here you can see that they have just added the Firebase core package just to use the core functionality of an Firebase. Firebase auth, because we are going to use the email authentication, so that's why they have added a Firebase auth package. Cloud Firestore, because we need to upload the data to the Firestore database, so Cloud Firestore. Okay, so these are all the packages that they have added. They have just done the complete connection that you can see over here. Okay, so I guess now we need to stop the app and rerun the app, and then only we can test that how the Firebase backend is working. Okay. Okay, I guess our app has launched successfully. Now I'm going to test that how the sign up page is working. So I'm going to click to this create account. Now I need to enter the name. So I'm going to enter my name and then I'm going to pass a random email ID. Okay, something like this. And then I need to pass password. So I'm going to pass password and will agree to the terms and condition and will click to this create account button. The email is already registered, so I'm going to pass something unique and maybe we'll click to this create account again. Yeah, so I've successfully signed up in the app by using the email authentication and the Firebase as an backend. You have seen that I haven't moved manually to the Firebase just to do the any connections. All the thing has been done by the cursor. Okay, so they have told that connect with one person, share your invite code, or join else with a large stage between exactly two people. Okay, so we can also join the chat room or we can just say send the invite code to the respective person as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to just use the another emulator over here so that I can test the app properly, like how it is really working. Okay. Okay, so I've launched the app on the other emulator. It's like iPhone 16 plus. Okay, click to the continue, click on create account. I'm going to pass the random name Ayush Gupta, and then I'm going to pass the email ayush8999 at the rate gmail.com and the random password. Click to this I agree, create account button. So we just need to wait. Okay, so this is what that I can see. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to join the code and we are going to enter this code. Okay, and let's see how it's going to work. So I'm going to just use caps lock VGG. Okay, 8TV. Okay, this is the code that I can see. I'm going to just click to this join private chat. Okay, so here I have just joined the private chat that you can see. Ayush Gupta, which is this account that we have created, and Shivam Gupta is this. Okay, so I'm going to send the message like hello, and Yeah, so I've received the message. So I'm going to just write, how are you? Yeah, so this is how you can see all the thing is working really the way that we are looking for, and I can send the message to the respective users, and that simply been highlighted in the another user chat. So this is how we can create a chat app between the two respective users. And you can notice that if I'm trying to code this app manually, it's going to take 2 to 3 hours to create this complete app, because we need to do the complete connection for the Firebase. We need to write the complete code for the each of the files that will be shown on this app. So it's going to take some time, but by using the AI, it has been done, I think so, in nearly 20 to 30 minutes maximum. Okay, and this is how the AI can simply help you to create the awesome apps. But you need to tell the AI like what really you are looking for. As I've told you, the prompt plays a big role if you are trying to create the app from the scratch. Okay, now one more thing I tell you, that if you want to learn the Flutter from the scratch, like if you want to learn the complete Flutter, and if you are looking for the complete beginner course to the advanced level, I will provide you the link in the description box and in the comment box as well. You can tap to that link, and we have uploaded, I guess 7 hour video in this channel, from which you can just learn a complete Flutter AI and the Firebase from the starting. Because you need to have a knowledge about the Firebase, like how it is working, what really the Firestore is, what is an authentication. If you don't know a real knowledge about a Firebase, then how you can tell that to the AI to connect this? Okay, so that's a course that you need to follow. I'll provide the link in the comment box. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.